Top 10 crazy facts about the universe. Fact number 1. The multiverse theory suggests that our universe is just one of many, each with its own unique set of physical laws. Fact number 2. The universe's age is estimated to be approximately 13.8 billion years, as determined by studying the cosmic microwave background and the universe's expansion. Fact number 3. Quasars, powered by supermassive black holes, emit more energy than entire galaxies, illuminating the cosmos. Fact number 4. The cosmic microwave background is the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, providing insights into the early universe's conditions. Fact number 5. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. A mere teaspoon of their material would weigh as much as a mountain on Earth. Fact number 6. Black holes, like the one at the center of our Milky Way, have gravity so intense that not even light can escape their grasp. Fact number 7. When massive stars exhaust their nuclear fuel, they explode in a spectacular supernova, dispersing life-enabling elements into space. Fact number 8. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, gravity can slow down time, leading to intriguing phenomena like time dilation. Fact number 9. Thousands of exoplanets have been discovered, some of which might be in the habitable zone, where life could exist. Fact number 10. In the far future, the universe may face a heat death or big freeze as it continues to expand and becomes increasingly cold and empty. For more daily space videos like this, please comment, share, and subscribe.